Hello, welcome to Rob's Retro Rides. Today we're going to be stripping down a 1.4 Volkswagen PD TDI. This engine has nothing wrong with it as far as I know. Got the wrong tools. But the previous owner liked his alcohol. It was in a Polo 9N3 2006. As far as I am aware, one of those today, is it? Was drunk and crashed the car. And yeah, so this was for sale on eBay, but nobody was interested. So now it's going to be cannon fodder for my channel. So I'm going to strip this one down, right down to absolutely nothing. So I'm going to whack it on an engine stand after removing the clutch and flywheel. That's my eye almost gone. You see that then? Yeah, that didn't work. It's really weird, these bolts. I don't seem, I think they've expanded in the heat a little bit. So, could take a few seconds to undo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise this higher so I'm not kneeling on the floor. That's what I'm going to do. Right, there we go. So, done that one. And I've got that one and that one to do. The rest are all loose, so two more still on the floor. Oh, hello. What kind of cool engines these are. Back in the day, the guys with the Mark II Golfs, Mark III Golfs used to grab these engines with both hands for the convert their petrols to a eco diesel engine, put bigger turbos on them, bigger injectors, make them fast. But stock, these things do about 70 to the gallon. Yeah, she's cutting loose. Oh yeah. Ooh. There's one flywheel. Clutch is fairly worn out. It's fairly worn, I believe. And the flywheel looks, well, like a flywheel. We'll leave this inner one in. Now my next job is to see if I can attach this engine to the engine stand. Once that's done, I shall come back to you. Well, it'd be interesting to see what condition this engine is in after just 123,500 miles. So let's grab the next tool. Hopefully the pulley will just fall off, I don't know. We'll turn over and shock it. I've done it. Hey Siri. Siri doesn't work when I'm recording. Okay, right. Right, that's all 8 bolts loose. Now I need to check to see if there's anything on this engine that will prevent me from removing the cylinder head, and the answer is definitely yes. Hopefully now this should whip off. There's a little bit of stuff attached to it. I will continue stripping. These are Timu mole grips, and honestly, compared to some of the British, the high quality brands that we know of, that Timu mole grips is really fucking good. But I don't want to take every little tiny clip off. It seems daft. Hey! There we go. Oof! Got it. Look at that. They seem to be okay. Oof! Right, let me just bring them down a minute. You can see here, ignore any water or oil, but yeah, as you can see, there's some scum and stuff. Very interesting design, having the dip in the middle. I've not seen that before on an engine, but yeah, this is a very interesting engine. Next job, let's aim for the bottom. Right, counterbalance shaft oil pump. Just taking all the bolts out. I didn't bother recording that bit because it's a bit boring, but I just took the sprocket off the oil pump so that the chain is dangling. So here is, I think this is a counterbalance shaft. Jank. Aha, so what you've got on VWs is a 12-sided nuts. So unless you got a 12-sided socket, you need to use a 12-sided spanner instead.
Feels like this month has dragged for some reason.
It feels like this month has just kind of fucking disappeared instantly. I had a chance to breathe. It's been completely flat out. Oh, this is turning into an ordeal. Nice, it's falling inside the engine where I can't reach it. Or can I reach it? I'm only a mayor of this, aren't I? It's slightly out of reach. Ah! One of the shell bearings has slipped out. Hey! Looks, well, I'll let you decide on the camera if that's good or bad. It looks good to me. Cool. I can't move. Now I need to do some more hammer and... Where did my spanner go anyway? I dropped this on the floor. This turns less of an engine disassembly and more of a Laurel and Hardy sketch. Oh god, everything's coming towards me. Ow! That's very close to the old middle finger. I mean, middle bollocks. Getting the workout today, don't you, the gym? Let's not drop this end cap in the engine.
It's fine, I don't need to either. The time I hold this phone, my arms are going to...
Probably. It's hammer time. Where's the oil come from? Head gasket. twin layer head gasket. It's kind of posh. It's been there. The easiest way of doing this is get a metal bar and a hammer. I'll give it a little tap. The piston coming through the hole? Yes, look at that. Is something coming out? Ah, hey! Piston number 1. Check that bad boy out. It's in good condition. Nothing wrong with it. If anyone wants any pistons, let me know. Yay. No piston. You still recording?
Yeah.
Sweet. Sweet. Pistons 1, 2 and 3 have now been removed. So now it is time to spin the engine upside down again. And this time is crankshaft removal time. There we go. 70, okay, gotta remove the pulley. How's the pulley attached? I think I might use the right impact gun for this one. It's like a 17, potentially. You can see me on that.
Yeah.
I do.
Every time you move, I move. Meow.
Oh. Need to step down. Oh, for f***'s sake. It's one of those treble 712 sided fuck shits again. Oh, no way I'm doing that. Oh.
Ow.
Nice. Yay. Oh, that's a massive chunk of metal. Look at the size of that. That's what she said. Another big chunk of metal. They're heavy. They are really heavy. Oh, there's 2 more I've missed. There's just 2 more, or is there 4 more? Nice, these 2. Need to undo this next, which is not 12-sided, which is good news. Get the right side, and then figure out the correct apparatus to get this off quickly and easily, as they say. Cool.
So that's
This is how you learn. Like, if you really want to learn, best thing to do is get a scrap engine, or not a scrap engine in this case, that nobody wants to buy, strip it down, see how it goes together, and learn.
Yeah.
That's what I've done. I just learned. You know, I started this not having a clue what I'm doing. The newest engine that I've worked on was 1987. This is a 2006. It's like 20-year newer. And yeah, the principles are similar, but there are some things that are different with it. But it's not too different. I think the main difference really is diesel versus petrol. But hey, got the that off. Don't know what that is, but as you do. Fucking hell, how did that end up over there? He's hugging a bottle. Like a 2-year-old. Help me with that. Oh God, what's happened there? Oh, I've got the wrong bloody tool again. Don't fit. Oh, I found it. I found the bit I'm looking for. I have found what I am looking for. I better not sing. Right, kill everyone.
Well, at least they're getting something else to moan about.
I have what you're looking for.
Hello, hello.
There we go. That was putting that hole too big.
Hello.
Galileo.
I'm going to need to have a break in a minute. It's been half an hour. My arm's going to fall off.
That's fine. We just get this cap off and see if this moves. People be like, why are you shafting that thing in that hole for? You don't need to do that. No, I just thought it was funny. See? One big hunk of metal. One big hunk of metal. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna have trouble here because I can't. So look. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to conclude it there for now because I don't have a 12-sided socket. As you can see, it's loose on one end, but I can't get the crank pulley off without the correct tools, which I don't have. So, thank you for watching and have a good day.